Hello, welcome to Miracle Learning Center. For this chemistry tuition lesson, we'll look at this question on electrolysis. In which one of the following instances is there no change in the concentration of the solution during electrolysis? A. When concentrated hydrochloric acid is being electrolyzed between carbon electrodes, at the cathode, hydrogen is being discharged. At the anode, chloride ions are being discharged because it's a concentrated solution of hydrochloric acid. Since hydrogen has been discharged, there is a change in the concentration of the hydrogen ions. There are less hydrogen ions in the solution, and the solution becomes less acidic. For B, the electrodes are made of platinum. At the cathode, copper ions are being deposited. At the anode, hydroxide ions are being discharged. Is there any change in the concentration of the electrolyte? Yes, copper 2 plus has been discharged. Hence, copper has been deposited at the cathode. Hydroxide ions has been discharged. The solution becomes more acidic, and there is less copper 2 ions in the solution. C. Concentrated sodium chloride between carbon electrodes. At the cathode, we will have hydrogen ions being discharged. At the anode, we have chloride ions discharged. There's hydrogen ions being discharged, and the solution becomes more alkaline because sodium hydroxide is being formed. D. Copper sulfate between copper electrodes. Copper anode is a reactive electrode. Hence, copper anode will react during this process. Hence, at the cathode, we will have copper being deposited. At the anode, copper is a reactive anode. Hence, copper will dissolve to become copper 2 plus. There is no change in the concentration of the electrolyte because the rate at which copper is deposited at the cathode is the same as the rate at which copper dissolves at the anode. Hence, the copper that is being deposited is replaced by the copper that dissolves at the anode. The total mass that's deposited is equivalent to the total mass that dissolves. Hence, there is no change in the concentration of the solution. And the answer is D. How about E? Is there a change in the concentration of the solution? Yes. For E, you will have hydrogen ions being discharged at the cathode. And at the anode, you will have hydroxide ions being discharged. Hence, the solution becomes more concentrated as water has been discharged. Hence, we can tell the answer is D. Thank you for listening to this chemistry tuition lesson. You are most welcome to Miracle Learning Centre to attend more chemistry tuition lessons. We specialize in science and maths for primary, secondary and JC. Thank you.